Park rangers aren't supposed to lose 3 hours of time, but I did. I've seen strange lights deep inside the closed sections of the park. They only appear when the park is completely empty. Every time I move toward them, my radio dies. Every single time. Last winter, I saw 3 lights moving through the forest. I stepped between them. I wanted answers. That's when everything changed. The darkness felt thicker. The cold cut past my skin, and the forest went completely silent. Then I realized something terrifying.